What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the 10K Facebook Marketplace Challenge. Did I sell more product? Just going to have to watch and find out. But yeah, if you're unfamiliar with the challenge, what I'm doing is I'm going around my house, my storage, my garage, stuff that I own, and I'm selling it. I'm collecting junk, clutter, crap that I don't need anymore, and I'm selling it on Facebook Marketplace. Never going to sell this cowboy hat, though. This thing is primo. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. This is the challenge. This is episode number 2. If you want to know more about how I started this, go to episode number 1. And let's talk about things that I'm going to post onto Facebook today. At the end, I will tell you what I've sold since the last episode and my total to date. This is the 10K challenge, so I'm trying to get to 10K. Okay, so I'm going to be posting some shoes. I got these old Vision streetwears kicking around that I don't wear anymore. I got these Sauconys, all black. I even have some like in the box shoes that I'm going to sell. I have these New Balance skate shoes from a few years back. They're going up. Got another pair of New Balance skate that's going up. Brand new, never worn. I got a pair of Diamond Supply Pumas that were gifted to me, but guess what? They're the wrong size, so I never wore them. So these are going up on the old Facebook Marketplace. I have a pair of bindings, Burton kids bindings that don't fit my kids anymore. They're going up. I've also posted a bunch of other shit since the last episode. A bunch of kids crap that we don't use anymore. Just a bunch of everything. I even tried some DVDs. Do people buy DVDs anymore?
No! No!
Apparently not, because I didn't buy my DVD set of the show 24. Okay, let's talk about what did sell. I got my tally on the board. So the last episode, I think I was up to like 200 something bucks. But guess what, guys? I'm up to a grand total of $715. Okay? Pretty stoked. I'm going to be hitting a grand soon. And the goal is 10K, so we're on our way. I did sell this here iPhone 12 Max Pro 256 gig, which was that's the big sale. So that's a $375 phone. I got a new upgrade for free, so I'm like, sell my old phone. It's a big sale. I put up for 500, sold for 375. Got mad messages about a phone. So if you got old phones kicking around, put them up. You'll get mad messages. I sold a waxing iron for a snowboard right here. I'll put that up, show you. Had 2 of them, didn't need it. What the hell am I doing with 2 waxing irons? That sold for 40 bucks. Had this bowl, this wooden bowl. My dad makes these wooden bowls overseas, and he always gives us so many of them as gifts. Sorry, Dad. Sold it, 20 bucks. I sold a Vans jacket right here. A very simple, like lightweight Vans jacket that I got for like a free promo thing. 35 bucks. I sold a pair of Air Max all white Air Maxes that my wife got me, but all white shoes get damn dirty. These were damn dirty. They're probably going to clean up real nice, but I sold them for, what did I sell them for? 35 bucks. So that was probably a super steal, but I'm like, I got to get rid of this stuff. So anyway, I'm up to total, grand total of 715 bucks. I got a message from a homie this week that was like, I inspired him to go and start selling his own shit on Facebook Marketplace. So again, if you want to join the challenge, it's kind of fun. I found more great stuff today. It just like keeps turning up. I'm going to try to sell some books soon. I got a couple more snowboards to sell soon. I haven't even really started digging into my storage unit yet. There's lots to sell. It's going to be easy for me to get to 10K, I think, and it's going to clear out so much space, so much energy. A lot of things aren't selling. You know, I think I've listed like 30 things, and I've only sold like a third of them. So I've had like a 30% sell through maybe on things. I think I'm going to sell a cooler tomorrow that I put up that someone's coming to pick up. Potentially this ammo case that I put up is going to sell. I got some messages about that. So that's it. 10K Facebook Marketplace Challenge. I'm up to grand total 715. Going to keep on rocking this challenge and get to 10K. Hopefully we can do it soon. Hopefully this inspires you to go sell your own stuff on Facebook. Make sure you follow along, follow this channel, and like this video. See you guys on episode number 3 soon.